How to use LinkedIn job search. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and get logged into your LinkedIn account. Now in order to search for any job, all you have to do is click on this jobs icon at the menu bar. Click onto it. You can also type in the name of the job that you would like to get hired. For instance, I'm typing marketing manager. Once done, this will show all the hiring companies that are ready to employ marketing managers. You can also filter your job search. Click onto all filters. Here you can sort by most recent or most relevant. Choose your options. You can also choose date posted, experience level, company, job type, remote, easy apply, and so on. Once you do all that, all you have to do is click on to show results. And once done, it will show you all the results according to the job filters that you added. Just like so, this is how job filters on LinkedIn works. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then please like and subscribe.